Guangdong Cokelife Biological Technology Company Limited. The company team has 15 years of experience in the biolubricant industry. It has professional product knowledge and experience in water-based, silicone-based lubricants, medical and animal lubricants, feminine washes, massage oils, and disinfectant cleaners, etc. We are a professional human lubricant company in China. We have participated in multiple international large-scale adult products exhibitions and collaborated with many world-renowned brand companies. Reached multiple strategic partnerships with well-known enterprises in the industry many times. We have a separate plant covering 9,888 square meters, equipped with a professional biological laboratory, and has been committed to biolubricants research and development. The factory operates under strict quality management system, featuring 100,000 level air purification system, a fully enclosed sterile guarantee system, and an automatic sterile production workshop, and get ISO 9001 certificate. It has obtained 5,000 mature formula patents. The factory is equipped with 26 automated machines and multiple fully automated sterile filling production lines, with real-time monitoring throughout production to enhance safety and efficiency. Currently, the daily production capacity reaches 15 tons, while the monthly output amounts to 400 tons. We offer diversified sales models, drop shipping, cross-border warehouse distribution services. And we has strong OEM and ODM and OBM production capabilities 24 hours online. One-stop service, free sample, design, product picture and video. We recruiting global Cokelife brand agents. Committed to international dialogue through superior quality. Welcome to visit us for cooperation.